It's been a very long time since I've done one of these videos, but I think this might be today, May 16th, 2025. A widespread severe weather and tornado outbreak is unfolding right now, and I'm in the mix of it. My area is under a tornado warning. A couple of hours, well, not my exact area, but the areas to the south of me, like my southern counties that I'm at. The southern counties, like south of me, were under a tornado warning, and yeah, it got active. It didn't drop a tornado, but it definitely was trying to. It was very close to doing it too. And there was one big tornado that went through St. Louis, Missouri. I'm talking about like not the outskirts, like almost straight into the middle of downtown St. Louis. And there's currently a large tornado on the ground right now somewhere in Missouri. I think it's in Illinois now. It's across the Illinois border, but it's a big time tornado. And now I am seeing a huge line of storms come for me. So we're about to see what's about to happen here. I'm gonna clip it here because nothing's happening right now, but man, this is looking like a big time severe weather day for a lot of people. All right, starting the recording, we're already getting thunder. This storm overperformed big time. I am not under a severe thunderstorm warning yet, but that's going to change within the next 5 to 10 minutes, and there it is. There is a destructive severe thunderstorm warning now for my area. 80-mile-per-hour winds and ping pong ball size hail. I've never been under a destructive severe thunderstorm warning before, so this might be a crazy one. I'm not even gonna lie. Like I said, it's I don't see lightning yet, but I'm hearing a lot of thunder. There goes my radio. Actually, hold on.
Thunderstorm warning for Sussex County in southern Delaware, Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Kent County in central Delaware, Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, Salem County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Cape May County in southern New Jersey.
All right, I'm walking out. We have a shelf cloud coming in now. My boy Ryan Hall just mentioned my town name, so we are in the thick of it. Look at that shelf cloud. Wow. Look at that. That's our shelf cloud right there. 70 to 80-mile-per-hour winds. It's coming with this storm. Jeez. Like I said, I've never been through a storm at this caliber before. I don't know what to expect, honestly, but it is. I heard some powerful winds with this storm. So, and you know it's bad when Ryan Hall mentions your town's name. So, man, this is it's exciting, but it's also gonna be kind of crazy because I don't know how this is gonna go, because we haven't had a storm at this caliber in my area in a while, and this is the first storm of the year, by the way. What a way to start it off. Like I say, a considerable to destructive severe thunderstorm warning just been issued. So it's about to get wicked. Look at that shelf cloud, man. That is, I mean, wow, look at that. Let me zoom in on that. That is our shelf cloud right there. That's our destructive severe thunderstorm right there, coming in hot. Man. Yeah, guys, this is wow, this may be the most significant severe weather event I may ever experience. Wow. That's our shelf cloud. I mean, I know I sound like really, really excited, which I am, but we don't get storms like this. This is probably a once in every couple years, sorry. Because yeah, shelf clouds like that, and the wording in this too, considerable damage is likely and stuff like that. That is just insane. Starting to see a ton of lightning with this too. Wow, look at that shelf cloud. Things coming in hot. I'm gonna give y'all a POV inside my garage so you can see the actual straight line winds with this. Yeah, this is probably one of the worst storms I may experience in a while. Like I said, I'm expecting 70 to 80-mile-per-hour winds with this thing. Or wind gusts, whatever you want to call it. I'm just saying winds. I'm not seeing sustained winds, but wind gusts. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a 70 to 80 mile per hour wind gust with this. And it has that backwards C shape too. Wow. That was in front of the house. Rumbling the ground. Significant storm about to come in here. Look at that shelf cloud. My goodness, that is amazing to look at. Like I said, this is also ongoing with a significant severe weather outbreak as well too. It's not just my area, it's the Midwest as well. Ohio Valley, they're under tornado warnings right now. There's a couple of PDS tornado warnings earlier too. Even in my area, there's tornado warnings in my area as well. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this is a widespread severe weather outbreak. Oh my, that shelf cloud is menacing. I haven't seen a shelf cloud this potent looking since August 6, 2020. If y'all haven't seen that video, go watch that. That video was insane. I haven't seen a potent storm like this since August 6, 2020. Man, this is a powerful storm right here. It's now to the point where the lightning is now striking in front of my house. So that's something. You see how it's like kind of blue in there? That's the hail core. They are expecting ping pong ball sized hail up to maybe even golf balls with this. That's a blue hail core, or it's trying to turn blue in there. Like that could be the rain too, but it's turning blue right in that middle section right there. I mean, just look at this shelf cloud. Like, my goodness, this shelf cloud. That is, wow, this is, wow. It's been a minute since I've recorded a storm video, and this is going to be a great one, as you can just tell by now. Yep, here's raindrops. Yep, shelf cloud is starting to move over now. Jesus. Someone's coughing. This is about to be potent. Look at that. And the inside of that thing looks insane. Look at that shelf cloud, guys.
Masai, you see this?
Yes.
Look at how this is.
That's the shelf cloud.
Bro.
Wow. Right there. That was right there.
Bro, look at how the cloud looks. You get a picture of that?
I'm recording it. This is the shelf cloud. If there were to be a tornado, it would happen right on where this cloud is at, right here. And you see how it's blue? That's the hail core.
Look at that right there, the big part.
Yeah, that is, wow, that is, oh man. This is about to be potent. Like I said, 70 to 80 mile per hour winds with this thing. And it has been confirmed by public. There's been damage from the storm. This is about to be a nasty one. Let me shut this window a little bit. This is about to be nasty. Like I said, I haven't seen anything like this since 2020. This is airy. This is very airy. Yep. See, it's starting to get windy. Trees are starting to blow. Might have to get ready. This is about to be a pretty potent storm. Oh man, yeah, we're under the shelf cloud now. We're under it. Yep, it's about to go down. You can hear the wind. Jeez. Like I said, we're not even in the storm yet, so. Oh man, that's the rain shaft right there. Yep, there it is. So it's about to come down hard. Only a matter of time before the damaging winds come in. Oh my. Yep. That is some strong winds, yep. Yeah, look at that, wow. Yep, alright, we're gonna close it here. Here we go. This is about to be some strong winds. Look at the trees, oh my god, look at the trees. Yep, oh my goodness. Yeah, look at that. Oh my god, look at the trees. Yeah, we got leaves coming down. We got leaves coming down. Yep. This is straight line winds right here. Straight line winds. Straight line winds right here. Got leaves coming down. I want to say it's definitely gonna pick back up. Yep, look at that. That's a wind gust right there. That's a wind gust. Yeah, look at that wind gust. My God. What you want to look for in a storm is it'll be windy and then a huge gust will come in and that's what knocks down all the trees. Like something like that. That's wrong. Yep. I'm in for a moment where we get into the middle of the storm and just starts straight wind gusts the entire time. Jeez. Yeah, some leaves falling off now. We're getting we're not in the middle of like the middle part of it, but we're getting like the bow echo end of it, like the bowing segment of it. Yeah, wow.
It got so dark for the light too.
Yep. Lightening up a little bit. Like I said, it's not a huge lightning maker, but it's all about the wind with this one. Yeah, that was strong. It was the strongest winds I've seen in a while. Still, that was some strong winds. Yeah, there's the wind gust. Oh, that was close. Wow, that was like right there. Yeah, I think this is where the lightning starts to pick up now. I'm gonna clip it here. Wait, pick it back up. I'm gonna clip it here and check the radar real quick. So, the south part of my area is under a tornado warning right now. We got really lucky. South part seems like it's the strongest part of the storm. That's about to be wild. I think if we get one strike like in the neighborhood, that's when it's going to get like really loud.
Normally when it does that, it's just static first.
There it is.
I remember that day I was at that one that was right near the house. They said you heard it first before it even. So you heard the static first before the lightning even came. It was like, and then all you see is the light flick. be like, oh.
That's what we're gonna do right now. It's all gonna be lightning. So after this, when it gets dark, it's gonna be all lightning. You're gonna see all lightning in the distance from the front. Cause that's where it's going. We got really lucky because the top part, it like came, it was strong at first, and as soon as it came like after us, like, as soon as it went over us, it kept going and then it started weakening at the top hat. I think the bottom part is gonna do the same thing, like where that strong wind is at, it's starting to weaken because the daylight's about to go out. That's why. No daylight heating, no storms. I'm into here though, because I think it's over.
Yeah,